What's up, YouTube? Today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. It's basically front lights. I have a 2013 Kia as my wife's car, and the lights really are bad, so I'm trying to put some new LED lights. I will show you the product towards the end of the video. There will be a before and after, so check it out. It comes in this box just like this. As you can see, it has the specs. It's a 1-year warranty, 6,000 K the temperature, etc, etc. As you can see in my description there will be a link of where to buy. They come in a beautiful little box, hard, and let's get it open. It has a card and you get a product manual. So the lights come in just like this. It says it's just plug and go. Plug it and you go. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Good thing about it that I didn't really want to put a HID conversion. I hope this one worked perfectly fine. It looks like it's pretty good. Well, I will start connecting it. I will show you before and after, and let's see what happens. Check it out. Well, those are my OEM lights, and they're a little dark, as you can see. It's horrible to drive at night. Here I just wanted to show you a sample of it driving at night, and as you can see, it is dark. If it wasn't for the street lights, it's horrible, horrible, horrible. I can't wait to get the new lights. Right now I'm just showing you how my brother was taking out the lights and putting the lights on. As you can see, that's the hole right there. It has a cover, and these lights are just plug it and go. You don't have to, you see, as you can see, the plug, the light bulb, follow the shape, get it in, clip it in.
Oh, you edit everything. Oh, nice. I'm still trying to get better.
And as you can see, it's a little tough to get this side, but little by little my brother did it. You plug it and you put the cover back on. On the left side is the LASFIT bulb. As you can see, it's nice. And this is the OEM side that we're about to do now. So now I just got home and I just want to show you how the lights look. As you can see, it's very white compared to the beginning of the video. It's nice, nice, nice. Okay, now I'm inside the car. As you see, I'm looking out my front windshield. The low beam, that's the high beam, awesome. Low beam, high beam, low beam.
They are amazing, amazing. Perfect.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Take it for a ride now. Well, this is me driving down my street. As you can see, it's way brighter. Look at this, wow.
Driving down the street is so
It's very nice now. In love with my new lights. My wife will love them. Very bright, as you can see. Nice, nice, nice. Now I have good lights. Well, like and subscribe. I just wanted to compare the lights from OEM and LASFIT. Awesome lights, recommend it. In my description there will be a link to buy. Thank you.